This is a fully automatic mattress folding and compression rolling production line. It covers an area of 12 meters 5 wide, 4 meters 3 high, 3 meters 4. The total weight is 17 tons. The total power is 38 kilowatts. The gas consumption is 0.43 cubic meters per minute. Continuous production is 30 seconds per unit. Suitable for the type of mattress: independent back spring mattress, ordinary spring mattress, ordinary sponge mattresses, latex mattresses and thin pads. Suitable mattress length range. You can go up to 2 meters 2. The maximum width range of the mattress is 2 meters 2. The height ranges from 5 centimeters to 50 centimeters. Our press has a pressure of 100 tons. It's the most stressful thing on the market. It can work continuously for 20 hours without stopping. Then the coil diameter is also the widest range on the market. The minimum can be rolled to 20 centimeters, the maximum 56 centimeters. Rollback diameter basically fits all mattresses. These include folding mattresses, rolling mattresses, and thin pads. The machine consists of 4 parts. Part 1. Automatic quilting machine. The second part, automatic compressor. The third part, automatic rotating folding machine. The fourth part, automatic roll packing machine. The packaging consumable of automatic film machine is pay film raw material. The whole machine has 3 rolls. 2 rolls are used here in the automatic quilting machine. The top roll, the next volume, and then the roll on top. It is lifted up by crane, and then the next volume. It's through this nudge mechanism that pushes it forward. The thickness of the first film core is from 0.06 to 0.08 millimeters. The mattress goes in sideways. An assembly line can follow in front. And then the mattress comes here. Sense this priming eye. The machine works automatically. You don't have to do this manually. The machine automatically detects the width of the mattress, and then releases the film according to the width. The film is very compact. After the quilting is done, it is welded. How many width of mattress it covers, how many film, won't waste film. This is a fully automatic compressor. It can be pressurized to 100 tons. Then the hydraulic station, we use servo hydraulic station. It features a first mute, smooth start and stop. The height control of the third pressure plate is precise. And our welding mechanism. We already have a patent. It can ensure that the welding is beautiful and firm. It will not weld through the film and will not weld well. Automatic rotating folding machine. It has an automatic rotation function. alignment function and folding function. It can be folded in half in length. Fold the width direction in half. There is 3-fold and 4-fold function. You can reduce the pack size of the mattress. This is a fully automatic roll packing machine. It uses a roll of pay-film roll material. The thickness of the coil material is 0.04 to 0.08 millimeters. Rolls range from a minimum of 20 centimeters to a maximum of 56 centimeters. It basically fits all mattresses. These include thin cushions and folding mattresses. Our winding machine uses servo motor control system. It can guarantee that each mattress rolls out to the exact size. Avoid bulging when packing, or there's a wobble. Our roll package structure and we can make the spring mattress. The process of rolling the package is very smooth. There will be a broken on-spring mattresses. Damage to the structure of a spring mattress. There will be no roll of the ordinary coil mattress. The condition of scratching the fabric. Each part of the machine has its own control system and the human-machine interface. It is available in both Chinese and English. And its parameter input is very simple. Here's the human-machine interface. It can display prompt information and alarm information.